What the hell? What the hell? What is that? It's like standing there. Hold on. Dude, I'm not joking. I literally just joined. I don't know what this is. What the?
Right? There's no way on my log. Look at the code. Look at the code. Look. I'm going to learn the code. And it's like, yeah, and then the tree, you can see the tree goes all the way up there. And then you can see stuff. And then, yeah.
Wait, TFC, do you see that?
What?
Wait. You just went away. Wait,
nothing, bro.
Look again.
I don't know what you're seeing. There's... What the hell?
You see that gorilla?
Wait, what? Wait, are you able to go up there?
No, there's no one in the code, it's just us.
Right, yeah, wait. Are you even able to go up there? I gotta check.
It must be
There's no one on the map. He's not up there. And, like, you guys are seeing it. Like, you guys are seeing this. There's no one up there.
Yeah, now there's no one up here.
Look, no one else in the code except for it's just me in the code, right? Like literally just me, no one else. And I went into the shop to check out this bundle thing, and I look over here. Like, what is this? Is this like a ghost or something? Like all the other ones, they're like that, and then this, it's like a white monkey that's like staring. That's creepy.
Alright, bro. Okay. I think we just encountered a ghost.
No, bro.
For him, there's something there, but I can't see it.
He can't see anything. If you can record, Max, and put this on your channel so I can see your perspective, bro. It is right there.
Yeah. I'll post it. I'll show you.
Yeah, record. Oh my.
What was that
There's
sound?
something right there, guys.
What was that sound? I'm hearing the acid sound or whatever, like when you touch this stuff on the eyeball.
I hear the dude. No way, bro. I hear the. No way, bro. Hey, what? Nah. Okay, nah. I'm not saying. I know y'all thinking. My friend's in here. Well, no. It's all random numbers. All random numbers.